Hello and welcome back to another video, guys. In this video I'm working on this BMW E92. It's a 3 Series coupe. It doesn't matter really, 1 Series, 3 Series. This model, the 2-litre diesel. This fault code is what we're getting EGR. Obviously it comes up on the dashboard as well as in terms of engine management light. Now it's very common even in the older models and even in the newer models, like I'm talking 2016, 17, 18. Now one thing I'll say is you have to know that this fault code is common in them, and it's to do with this here. Now you can pick them up. There is some online. I can't get it working, but anyway, you can't pick them up online on eBay. Okay, you want the OEM genuine part, otherwise it's not going to work. Or really, the realistic thing to do in this case would be there's a recall on the EGRs on this BM. Phone dealership, speak to the service department and give them your reg or the VIN chassis, and they will tell you exactly if this car is under the recall and it requires changing. Now the downside of this is if you don't get it changed in time, it will get hot, it will catch fire. It'll just catch fire in other words. So first, before you do anything, phone dealer up, see if it's under warranty and there's a recall on them, get that changed. If not, then it's a good few £100 online, get it changed. Not end of the world, it's quite easy, I've done it before. So you know, these 2 bolts EGR, you've got that one there, and then you've got 2 pipes, which I do recommend you change it as well at the same time, because they do like wear out. But that's what you do. Yeah, the fault codes.